During today's session, I will give one introduction to cloud computing concepts, services, and benefits. So let's start with the first slide. The most important question that we need to solve is what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model for delivering technology services that allows access to computing resources over the internet, the same without having the need to maintain a local infrastructure. Now, let's clarify all these definitions. What all that means is that we can use resources, we can access to resources such as server services, storage services, and or application services without having a physical server. That's it. Simple, right? Talking about four AWS concepts, I would like to start with the first one that is called on-demand access. On-demand access means that services are available whenever are needed. Then we have pay as you go, and it's really explained by itself. It means that the user pay and only pay for what the user use or consume. Then we have remote servers. That means that data is stored offsite, and that means that, for example, suppose that I'm located here in Mexico, and probably the physical data server, the physical server to which I'm accessing to get my services is located in the United States. That means data is stored offsite. Then we have global reach. Global reach means that services are accessible from anywhere. So let's use this image to clarify this definition and just consider this analogy. Suppose that the services, the resources are located here on the cloud, which means that, remember, it's not a real cloud. It's um, means that probably a data center that could be located around the world. And we can access from here, from here, from here, from here, from here, or from here. That's mean global reach. Talking about the services models. For this session, we are going just to consider these three: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. The first one provides virtualized computing resources. Example of these could be AWS EC2. Then we have platform as a service, offers tools for developing and managing applications. And one example of this could be Google App Engine. Finally, related to software as a service, one example of this could be Gmail. The benefits that we can discover by using the cloud computer could be, for example, the first one, scalability. And scalability means that easily adjust resources based on demand. And then we have cost efficiency. Cost efficiency means that we're avoiding to expense hardware investments. Example of this could be one startup that uses Google Cloud instead of buying physical servers, and this reduce the initial cost. Then we have flexibility. Flexibility means that we can access data in applications as we have already explained it. And then we have security, and this is an advanced protection feature to keep data safe. One example of this could be AWS, which provides encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect user data. Now, I would like to identify some cloud use cases. And for file storage, we can identify Google Drive and Dropbox. For streaming, we can identify Netflix and Spotify. And for web apps, as I have already mentioned, we have Gmail and Microsoft 365. Now, in summary and takeaways, the conclusion could be that cloud computing revolutionized technology by providing flexibility, scalability, and cost saving for business and individuals. And this is it. If you like it, you can subscribe to the channel and see you on next week.